friends, I hope you're all doing okay. I'm actually coming to you from my flat in Edinburgh. I'm all moved in. I moved in yesterday. I didn't actually film any of yesterday because it was just quite a stressful day with packing and unpacking, and then I just spent the rest of the day talking to my friends and just being with them, seeing as I hadn't seen them in 6 months. But yeah, I thought I'd film a few days of my life starting from today to show you what I get up to this week. I think the plan is today I'm going to do a bit of shopping. I have a personal tutor meeting. Tomorrow we're going to IKEA, and then hopefully Friday we're going to Berwick, so that should be a really exciting vlog, hopefully. But yeah, I'm all moved in. This is my room. I won't show you too much because I really want to do a room tour, which I'm really looking forward to. But yeah, I hope you enjoy. So we just got back from Poundland, so I thought I'd do a really small haul before I go make some lunch. So yeah, the first thing I got was just some cereal. This is like the knockoff Lucky Charms, but it's a lot cheaper and, in my opinion, just as good. I bought a really cute little chalkboard, which I thought would look really cute in my room. I'm not actually going to use the chalk that comes with it. I'm going to like try and order some chalk markers, pens, you know what I mean, from online. I thought that'd be cute. And then just more boring stuff, to be honest. I bought some ibuprofen and some paracetamol. I bought this little like travel disinfectant spray just for my handbag, just to take out with me when I go out. And then the last thing I bought was just a pack of 5 Sharpies. But yeah, it was a good little Poundland trip. So I'm gonna go make some lunch now. So I've just had my personal tutor meeting. It was literally just 5 minutes. We just kind of, she just asked me like, how's it all going? What's been going on the past few months? Are you okay with everything going on at university this year? And basically my answer was, yeah, it's all good. So it was really short. But yeah, that was the only thing I had scheduled for the rest of this week. So I'm now just gonna go have a shower, I think, and then see what happens after that.
Stars shining bright above you. Night breeze may seem to whisper, I love you. Birds singing in the sycamore tree. Dream a little dream of me. Say night and night and kiss me. Just hold me tight and tell me you miss me. Dream a little dream of me. Stars fading, but I'll linger on there. Still craving your kiss. I'm longing to linger till down there, just saying this. Sweet dreams till sunbeam finds you. Sunbeams find you. Sweet dreams till never worry.
Good morning, everyone. I hope you're all doing okay. It is Thursday, so today's plan is to go to IKEA. We've had a really lazy morning. I had a shower, I've kind of got ready a bit, but like I've got really bad allergies today. I don't know why, but it's so annoying. It's not COVID, definitely allergies, but really annoying. But yeah, so the plan is to go to IKEA in a bit, get some lunch there, and then we're gonna go to the pub, I think.
Stars fading, but I'll linger on there. Still craving your kiss. I'm longing to linger till dawn, dear. Just saying this. Sweet dreams dreams till something found you. Whoa. Sweet dreams tell every worries behind you. But in your dreams, while ever to be.
So we've just got back from IKEA, so I thought I'd do a really quick IKEA haul. So first thing we picked up, well, kind of I picked up, but this is for everyone, is just a little bathtub shelf. So I thought this was really cute. Also, our bathroom's not that big, so some extra storage space was great, but I thought we'd put some cute things on here. I bought 2 of these just black frames. I think they're the cheapest ones IKEA do. They are 30 by 40 centimetres, and I've got some prints that I want to put in them, so I just picked up 2 of those. So the next thing I picked up was 4 of these like fake flowers, single stems. They're like £1.50 each, and I've got 4, so I've got 4 kind of like vases, little vases. I thought these were really cute on my fireplace. I've got more fake plants. So these are just a pack of 3 fake plants like this, and I thought they'd look cute in our bathroom on one of the shelves. Then I picked up this fake plant, and my plan is to put it on the bath rack, kind of like that. I thought that would look really cute in the bathtub. And then finally, I got a real plant. So this is well, definitely needs repotting. This is a Alocasia amazonica. Looks like this. It was only £7, and I think it's really cute. It is definitely falling, so I really need to repot it and surround the soil to kind of hold it up, if that makes sense. But to pot the plant, I got this plant pot too. So that was everything that I picked up in IKEA. So I just repotted the plant and got mud all over my floor, but it's all clean now, and I think it looks really cute like that. So I'm gonna figure out where I'm gonna put him, but I'm really happy with my plant.
I did too. We're seeing other people, I can still miss you. Whenever I run into you, I plan what to say. Still text you on inside jokes, hoping you come my way. You always leave at the peak and it drives me insane. Yeah, no room for decline, it's just perfectionist taste. We never saw the worst times, and I know that feels great, but I still take them over, not seeing you every day. Every day, every day. Sometimes I try to change my mind. Things ended fine, there's no wrong or right. I can still see what we could be. Don't wanna be some memory, a memory.
Good morning everyone, it is now Saturday. Ignore the look, I've just had a shower and washed my hair. It's like first thing in the morning, it's like 8 o'clock now. So I'm gonna go make some breakfast, but I thought I'd have a little catch up because I didn't actually talk to you guys yesterday. So yesterday we went to the beach, we went to North Berwick, which is about a half an hour train journey outside of Edinburgh. And it was really lovely. And today the plan is to go to this farm to hopefully see some highland cows, and then in the afternoon to go to the pub, because a few days ago when I said we were going to the pub, you have to book and all the slots were taken, so we actually booked for today at 4:30. So yeah, that is the plan for today.
Things ended fine, there's no wrong or right. I can still see what we could be. Don't wanna be some memory, a memory.
now Sunday morning, and I'm going to end the vlog there because I need to edit and upload the vlog today. So yeah, I need to go do that. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed. I've had a really great few days being back in Edinburgh and enjoying the sun for once. And yeah, I'll see you next time, hopefully with a room tour.